Lesson 46, absolute value inequations, example 2. We have to solve the absolute value of 1 minus 2x less than or equal to 3. Now, if you recall in an earlier lesson, I said there's a neat way of just we can swap this around, and you'll do it in this case. Because you apply that method before, you're going to end up with negatives, and that's going to be a real hassle when we're dealing with inequalities. So we'll just do that. We'll just swap that around, and that just simply becomes 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 3. Now this is the less than or equal to 1, so that means that it must lie between 3 and -3. Now what I'll do, I'll add 1 throughout. Add 1, add 1, add 1. And that gives me -2. That's 2x. And that's 4. And then we'll divide throughout by 2. And we get our final result that x must lie between -1 and 2. Right, in part 2 we have to solve 1 over the absolute value of 4 minus x being greater than 2. Now, because this is an absolute value, it's positive, so we can multiply both sides of the inequality by the absolute value of 4 minus x, and that will give us 1 being greater than 2 outside of the absolute value of 4 minus x. Divide both sides by 2, and we get a half is greater than the absolute value of 4 minus x. Rewrite that as the absolute value of 4 minus x being less than a half, and then swap these around. That means that this must lie between a half and minus a half. Now we'll add 4 throughout. And it's going to give me 4 and minus half is 3.5. And this is 4.5. Now, is that the answer? Well, no, not quite. Because we've forgotten one little thing here. You've got x, this is in the denominator position, so x cannot be equal to 4, right? So x is not equal to 4. So you could have something like x not equal to 4 here, I guess, or probably a better way of writing it is that it's 3.5. X is less than 4, or this is going to be 4.5. That's why you're excluding that 4. So be careful of that, because this is not defined.